In this Java tutorial, we're going to learn about operator precedence, which is sometimes called order of operation. Some important facts to know. Just as in math, operators are processed according to their precedence and position. If precedence is the same, most operations are processed left to right. It's best to use parentheses to clarify order. We want to make it as easy as possible for other programmers to read our code. Let's look at this table containing a simplified version of Java's precedence rules. This will cover 99% of the circumstances you're going to encounter, and I'll have a link to a complete table in the video description. I encourage you to focus on the ones highlighted in yellow. The comparison operators are usually obvious from context. If using both an and an or on the same line, you should use parentheses to clarify order. Now let's look at some code. SOP is short for System Out Print Line. We have stack memory here and our output here. I've color-coded the parentheses to indicate their depth. The outermost are red, the middle ones are green, and the innermost are blue. Let's trace the code. We declare x and assign it the value 5. The variable and value appear on the stack. Now to the next line. Since parentheses have the highest precedence, we're going to start with the innermost parentheses. There's only one operator inside these parentheses. 5 minus 2 is 3. We have two sets of green parentheses. The set to the left takes precedence. Inside these parentheses, there are two operators, subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication takes precedence, and the product of 1 times 2 is 2. Next, 4 minus 2 is 2. We'll proceed to the other set of green parentheses. There's only one operation left inside. 3 times 3 is 9. We widen our view to the outermost parentheses. Of the three operators, cast has the highest precedence. The int 5 is cast as the double 5.0. Next is division. Because at least one of the numbers is a double, Java will use double division. The quotient of 5.0 divided by 2 is 2.5. Our final evaluation is 2.5 is greater than 9. This evaluates to false, and we output false to the console. Before you go, I want to show you something that can trip up programmers. Here you see a longhand and a shorthand way to triple the value of x. Even though times and times equal have different precedence, there is only one operator on each line of code, so it doesn't matter. Now, look at these two lines of code. In the top line, multiplication will take place before addition. In the bottom line, addition will take place before multiplication. Even though the bottom two lines of code may appear equivalent, they will assign different values to x. If you want to keep learning, click on the thumbnail for the next video. Otherwise, check out the full Java playlist. See you soon.